Today, we're checking out the 2-inch Hubcentric Wheel Spacers set of 4 for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. If you want a wider stance, a little more tire and brake clearance, or you just want your wheels to sit nice and flush with those fenders, then these are a simple bolt-on upgrade that are definitely worth checking out. The key features here are going to start with a true hub-centric design, so this spacer sits on the hub lip and keeps the wheel running straight with no vibrations even once you get up to highway speeds. At 2 inches thick, these hit a nice perfect sweet spot on the Wrangler. They push the wheels out enough to give you a tougher, closer to flush look, and they add room for wider tires or upgraded brake packages to help cut down rubbing at full turn without going too overboard. That little bump and track width can also make the Jeep feel a bit more settled in on the corners and on the highway. You're getting a complete set of 4, so the stance matches in the front and the rear, and the studs are going to be heavy duty while the spacers are machined flat so that they clamp tight and stay smooth at speeds. It's a simple bolt-on that solves space issues and nails the look all in one package. When it comes to the construction on this, these spacers are precision machined from strong billet aluminum for tight, flat fit against that hub and wheel. The studs are heavy duty press-ins built to handle real truck miles, towing, trail use, and everyday driving abuse. The finish helps fight corrosion, and the machining keeps everything balanced and smooth even at those highway speeds like I mentioned. Overall, it's a clean, tough piece that's ready for daily driving and weekend warrioring as well. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around the low $200 price range for the full set of 4. For some hub-centric spacers with heavy-duty studs, that's a solid value if you want the look and the extra clearance without buying a new set of wheels. Now when it comes to the install process, this is going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you should be able to get this job done in just 1 hour of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need an impact, a 19mm socket, and whatever size socket you need to take off your lug nuts. Today we're going to be installing wheel spacers on our Jeep Wrangler. Let's get into it. First, you want to take off your wheel with whatever lug nut size you would need. The reason I'm saying that is because our vehicle uses aftermarket lug nuts, they're not factory. Now it's time to put on the wheel spacer. So we'll just put it onto the car like this. Then you're going to take a 19mm socket and an impact. We're going to tighten down these nuts. Now it's time to put the wheel back on the car. Then remember, whatever socket you use to take off the wheel, to take out the lug nuts, you're going to use to put back on, because mine are aftermarket. And to tighten this down, I'm going to be using an impact. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the 2-inch Hubcentric Wheel Spacers set of 4 for a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.